Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can sync Strava with Garmin. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are two steps. First up, you just need to open up Garmin Connect. And right over here, you need to log in into your account. Once you log in, what you need to do is just go to More. And you just need to scroll down until you see the option of settings. Just simply press on that. And then you'll see the option of connected apps. Just simply press on that. And right away here you'll see Garmin and Strava as well. So if you're in Garmin, you'll see Strava. So you just need to press on Strava and then you need to log in into Strava and connect it basically. Once it's connected, you are synced with Strava. So, but if you don't want to do that, there's another way. You can just simply open up Health Sync app and you can just download it from Google Play Store. And then you need to press OK and then next. And right over here, you can just directly choose Strava and then you can just choose Garmin right over here. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You can directly choose whatever you'd like to choose. So Garmin into Strava, right, like this. And over here, as you can see, it's simply like that, and just simply press on declaration of consent, and then press accept, and then initialize Garmin Connect, okay, and then international, and then initialize a Strava. So right over here, you're just gonna connect like this. You just need to basically sign in into your accounts, and same for your Strava. You just need to press on authorize and then Strava, and then it's connected. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.